breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue on the edge.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a quick organization of my kind of cupboard slash pantry area in my kitchen, and also my fridge. I'll be doing that here shortly. But as you can see from the cupboards here, it desperately needed to be done. So I am going to get started on that, and then I will be doing the fridge afterwards. So I found all my organization at the dollar store. I just, kind of went with the basic white just to keep it all kind of cohesive. And then I found these containers for like crackers and stuff like that also. And they work really well. I'm pretty happy with them. So.
It's all or nothing.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? I'm looking for a brand new start. I know I got some trouble getting over you. I think that I've played my part. I need to get away somewhere far from you. I'ma buy plane ticket, run away by myself for a minute. I don't have any limits. Ooh, ooh. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind, I ain't gonna die. No, I'm about, ooh, ooh. I hope I meet somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about, ooh, ooh. Plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket. You said that I was not enough. You said you could do better than wasting time on me. And I admit it felt so tough. But baby, I guess this is how it's meant to be. I'ma buy plane ticket, run away to LA for a minute. There will be no limits. Ooh, ooh. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind, I ain't gonna die. No, I'm about, ooh, ooh. I hope I meet somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about, ooh, ooh. Plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket. A whole new start. I'm gonna get away from it all. A whole new start. I'm gonna get away from it all. I'ma buy a plane ticket, run away for a minute. There will be no limits. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind, I ain't gonna die. No, I'm about, ooh, ooh. I hope I meet somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do.
started with the fridge. And as you can see, it's pretty difficult to find anything in here. So this was most definitely needed.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. Sleeping at night, keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right, blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, driving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. Be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my.
So here's one last look at everything. I'm so glad that I got this done. It felt so good when I got everything organized and I could see what I was looking for.
You know you really wanna get to know.
Alright, so this is actually the next day. I had received these pot racks that I wanted to use to organize my pans. Because as you can see, this is an absolute mess in here. So I am going to go ahead and get this organized.
Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise. so much, but I'm finding games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours.
So this is pretty much it for today. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out my channel. If you enjoy the content, please do like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see on the next video. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.